is that we come to the point and started looking at different devices, and that's where I'm going to shut down. I got a long story I could tell you, but we're not going to do it today. What we're looking at the wedding cake, there was, if you start looking at it for ideas of how the propulsion of these craft are and how do they run. Well, to make it simple, you set up magnetic fields, and Pat Bailey's here, who's a physicist, and we were talking about it earlier. I run across several what we call over-unity devices, and to make it real simple so you people can see what it is, I'm going to show a demonstration now. It's on that little table over here. Now, simply what it is, everybody's familiar with refrigerator magnets. You know the little magnets that have on top of them? You know, little animals that you put on to put your papers on them. We'll take off all the animals, and you have a little square, and they're all positive and they're all negative on one side. Now, I guess I should walk over and see if that works out.
We're going to bring the images up on the screen so you'll be able to see it a lot better. It's going to be on camera. Okay. Come over to the podium to explain the part, and then we'll go back there for the screen demonstration.
Okay, I'll do it this way. This is a simple PVC, plastic vinyl. It's an old, plastic vinyl tube. We just cut it down to about 1 inch, which is the size of these little black magnets, as you've seen them. They're all glued in. They're all the same direction, the north and the south. All one side is south, the other one's the north. But you're going to notice something. I don't know if you can see it or not. You will in a minute when they do the videos. There's a little hole in it. That gives the ability then from the magnet to be a horseshoe magnet itself. So we got two magnets within each other. Now what we also have, I want you to look at this because when you see the wedding cake, you're going to see these big round balls around the outside of it, but there's a big space. You can imagine it you can see this thing. Now it's connected to another what we call a round magnet basically. It's just a flat banged in on both sides. Now what I've done is glue just a plain old steel ball, the old pinballs, to the bottom so you can get an idea of what it is. End of story. Now you want to see what happens. Now what you have to do is start thinking of the possibilities by using a simple device this. We were looking at doing it commercially, which we do have it done, but the people that put it together originally have been shot at a couple times and it's not right. So why don't we make a toy so everybody can at least think about it? Do you understand? Okay, now I'll go make the thing so you can see how it works.
Okay, now we'll bring it up on the screen. You notice the gap that he has in the magnets, in the ring of magnets. And he's going to put that ring down over the other slice of a bar magnet glued onto a ball. We're going to have it on the screen here if you watch up here. And when he does this and gets it centered, the little ball inside and the disc will revolve by themselves and they'll revolve perpetually. It's being done strictly by magnetic power. There you can see it, which tells us that free energy is infinitely simple. It's just the interrelationship of magnetic fields. And that's what he's demonstrating. Thank you, Joe.